Have you ever gone to send money to a friend on Venmo and wondered, am I about to be charged a fee for this? It's a question that pops up for a lot of us, especially when we're just trying to split the cost of dinner or a concert ticket. The good news is, for most of the ways you use Venmo, the answer is a simple and emphatic no. Venmo's entire business model is built around making it easy and free to send and receive money between friends and family. So, if you're sending money from your Venmo balance, a linked bank account, or a debit card, you're in the clear. No fees. That's a huge part of its appeal and why so many people use it. But here's where it gets a little more complex and where those fees can pop up. There are two main scenarios where you'll see a charge. First, if you're using a credit card to send money, Venmo will hit you with a 3% fee. This is because credit card companies charge a processing fee, and Venmo passes that cost on to you. So, a quick tip, unless you're trying to earn a specific credit card reward or you're in a pinch, it's always best to stick to your bank account or debit card to avoid that charge. The second fee to watch out for is for what's called an instant transfer. When you receive money, it sits in your Venmo balance. From there, you have two options to get it into your bank account. The standard transfer is free, but it can take 1 to 3 business days to land. If you need the cash right now, you can opt for an instant transfer, which typically gets the money to you in minutes. For that convenience, Venmo charges a 1.75% fee, with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $25. So, unless you're in a hurry, the free standard transfer is your best bet. So, to sum it up, sending money to friends and family is free when using your Venmo balance, bank account, or a debit card. Use a credit card, and you'll pay a 3% fee. And when you want to get money from your Venmo balance into your bank account, choose the free standard transfer unless you're willing to pay for speed. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.